In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export chart data in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll have a CSV file with the exact symbol and time frame you chose, downloaded to your computer and ready for analysis. First, load the chart. Open the specific chart you want to export in TradingView. Make sure the correct symbol is visible and set the time frame you need. If you plan to export a particular period, adjust the time frame from the top toolbar and confirm the chart on screen matches what you want to export. Take a moment here to double-check the symbol and time frame before moving on. This ensures the exported data reflects exactly what you see. Next, locate the menu. Move to the top right corner of the chart. Look next to the layout name for a small drop-down icon. This might appear as an arrow or 3 dots, depending on your interface. Click that drop-down to open the Chart Options menu. If you have multiple panels or indicators open, make sure your cursor is over the main chart area so the correct menu appears. Now export the data. In the drop-down menu, click Export Chart Data. This opens the export dialog for the current chart. You don't need to change anything else yet. Just confirm you selected Export Chart Data from the menu tied to the chart you want. From here, configure the settings. In the dialog box, choose your preferred time format. If you want a human-readable date and time, select ISO. ISO format is the standard YYYY-MM-DD with a 24-hour time, which is easy to read and works well in most spreadsheets. If you're sending this to a script or a database that expects a numeric time, choose Unix timestamp. Unix timestamp represents time as the number of seconds or milliseconds since January 1st, 1970, which many tools use for calculations. Pick the option that best matches where you plan to use the data. Take a second to confirm your selection. This avoids confusion later when sorting or merging data. Once that's done, download the file. Click Export. TradingView will prepare the data and your browser will start the download automatically. The file is saved as a CSV and it goes to your default downloads folder. If you see a prompt from your browser asking where to save, choose your preferred location and confirm. Wait for the download to complete before closing the dialog. At this point, the export is complete. Your chart data has been successfully exported from TradingView and saved as a CSV file to your downloads folder, using the time format you selected. You can now open that CSV in a spreadsheet or import it into your analysis tool. Your TradingView chart data export is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.